He is praying from class 7. He is here to show the experiment of how the vacuum cleaner works.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I have done a model of a vacuum cleaner with the help of a bottle, motor and a reverse blade. This is the motor. On the top of the motor is a motor shafter which is attached to the reverse blade. The motor will turn in one direction, but the reverse blade makes it to turn to the opposite direction so it can suck these sponges. This was invented by the British engineer Herbert Cecil Booth on 1901. Thank you, sir.